Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube. This is a weekly forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 18th of August 2025 and the week ends on Friday 22nd of August 2025. So this week is even more clearer than the news. Chart setups are very clear. Today I'm going to break it down for all of you, but before that let me know in the comment section down below, did you practice the Fibonacci ABCD pattern with me or not? You have to tell me that in the comment section, because remember, learning is the key in market. So first of all, the market obviously leave dots for us. So in this video, in these forecast videos, what I usually do is I only connect the dots for all of you. Let's have a look at the dollar CHF, and congratulations everyone, dollar CHF gave a very fantastic trade last week when I was analyzing. Let's count the number of candles: 1 2 3 4 5. Market was right here last week, and last week what I said, definitely there was a very simple impulsive leg this drop in front of us, and we have got a 61.8% retracement and the market dropped. This was a very fantastic support right here with us, which hold the market back for 65 pips again. So those of you who really want to take full benefit of my videos, you have to understand the forex market, the algorithm that this market is running on. And what is that algorithm? That algorithm is the ABCD pattern with us, the ABCD pattern strategy. So as I said, this previous week market left enough dots, empty dots for all of us, and we have to connect those dots today in this video. Then we can find fantastic levels for the upcoming week. Let's have a look at the daily time frame. You know, I like daily time frame a lot because it gives me the direction very nicely. Because if I don't do it on the daily time frame, how this is possible that I can get this particular drop on the H4 time frame during the week? So daily time frame is the key. First of all, if I break it down, let's have a look at it. Right here we have a very nice support. So first of all, let's highlight the key levels of support and the resistance. We have this as a support, and the resistance, obviously the resistance is going to be 0.81497 even for this upcoming week as well, and this is like the whole range. Along with that, on the daily time frame, if I zoom in and if I show you these particular candles, right here from here till here, fantastic Fibonacci trade we have got, and now this Fibonacci is definitely pointing towards the top side of the market. So let's see what this currency pair brings to us. Right here, 61.8% retracement, a very fantastic trade opportunity at the start of the week, 116 pips, and as a seller again 100 pips of a profit. So if you were a bullish, you made profit as well. If you were bearish, you also made profit during the week. This is the magical power of the Fibonacci and the ABCD pattern strategy that I trade, and I practice it for more than a decade now. So on the daily time frame right now, this is obviously suggesting there is, like, when there is an ABCD pattern present in the market, we have to treat it as that. So first of all, 61.8% retracement we have got. 1 2 3. So Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, the fundamental news activities also happened, and price was already standing at the 61.8% retracement. So even if I ignore the fundamental activities for now, still if we see, the market is trading very nicely, very nicely, respecting the 61.8% retracement. So during the week, just like last week, this level of 0.80122 is again going to be a good support level with all of us. Now move on to the H4 time frame right here, and on the H4 time frame, no doubt these daily bulls are holding the market back to 0.82589. In between, there will be several challenges that we should focus on. First of all, this recent rally that we have seen as a Fibonacci right here, 61.8% retracement. You know, slight rejection it will be giving above, slight breakouts it will be giving above. It doesn't mean that we have to precisely enter right here and immediately the market go in our favor. That do happen. I have seen that do happen. I will be showing you that sometimes even the market don't go against and give us that desired move. But even in this particular situation, just 20 pips of it go up, and 87 pips it exactly dropped. So even if one targets 1:2, still that was for this particular one there was a 50 pips of a stop loss. I'm sure you must have got this particular trade opportunity. Then similarly at the start of the last week, when market was trading right here, what I said market is trading in the middle. So whenever market is trading in the middle, we either wait for this level or either we wait for our Fibonacci 61.8% retracement, the way I have highlighted it last week. So it played very nicely, and congratulations to all of you who made this profit. Now what's next for the upcoming week? As I said, the charts are very clearer than the news, and I will be breaking it down. That means that this market is now holding this bullish rally, and this bullish trend line has no doubt right now it shows as this, but we can also do it as this. For now, since the market is trading as this will be showing us a bullish rally, and a bullish rally completion will be 0.8258, and that bullish rally, then obviously we will be looking for sell opportunities during the week. If someone wants to take further sell opportunities, well, I think you have to wait for this ABCD pattern to complete first, and once this ABCD pattern completes, because most of the traders are obviously holding buying decisions, so the targets suggest this level. Let me highlight for you, and 0.8108. remember this level is not free of any profits. There is a lot of the profits one can make right here, but obviously one needs to understand the patterns and the strategy. So very nicely bullish it is. And during the upcoming week, as far as and not just the upcoming week, but as far as the market is trading above 0.80122, we are going to look to the bullish side of the market following our ABCD pattern strategy. So very fantastic week is ahead. Make sure to manage your risks as well, because you know, from here and there we made 80 pips from there, 70 pips from there, 50 pips from there, 200 pips from gold, 100 pips from gold, 150 pips from gold. So when we combine it, by the end of the week it becomes a handsome amount of pips. So 800 pips means $800 for some people, right? So this is the dollar CHF, and I'm sure enough, if you follow these plans correctly the way I'm telling you, try to practice them on the demo accounts, because on the demo accounts you get plenty of practice and you get a lot of the confidence. So if you missed last week's move, don't worry, the market always gives a second chance. Okay, it doesn't mean that if someone missed this particular level or this particular buy, you have to be upset about it. No, there is always another trading day. This was not the last trading week or the last trading day that we missed. So anyone who missed, no problem, we get plenty of it right here. This market is not running out of the ABCD patterns. So this is the dollar CHF. I hope you guys make lots and lots of profit out of this particular pair. Move on to the euro US dollar. Last week what I said, congratulations everyone, you made profit. This level became a sell level for us, 1.17. I clearly mentioned last week that there is a good chance for the euro US dollar to drop back to the trend line, and from where we can take buying decisions. Didn't I tell you this whole thing? I did tell you. Make sure to check out the last weekly forex forecast videos. If not, you can also check my live streams, because in the live streams I give plenty of education about the ABCD pattern. I want to educate each and every trader who has problems making profits, or who is emotional. So I think if one is weak on the trading psychology, this strategy can make it better, because this Fibonacci has no psychology at all. It has its own psychology, and what is that? You just wait for your levels and then you get it. So this level last week, 1.15855 was discussed. Congratulations everyone, target one is hit with 127 pips of a profit, and from there, as a very fantastic sell opportunity. 87 pips of a profit for the weekly traders. Those who are still holding this buying positions with the anticipation that that is going up, I clearly mentioned it in the live streams as well. Last week I said that once you get target 1, just move your stop to break even, and if you are at break even, don't worry about it, because you are still at a better place, and a slight break above this and market will straight be 1.17620. so on the euro US dollar, this trend line is still valid, and as far as market is trading above this 1.1525, I will remain bullish on the euro US dollar. But by bullish, I doesn't mean that I'm going to add fresh positions right here. This is not the place for fresh positions. During the week, this was the level, this was the level. Last week, this was the level. I personally didn't trade it this one because back then the market has very less structure, obviously, and after this big move, nothing was very much clear. So after this bigger move, what we could do, we let the market go. That was obviously when the market took this particular structure right here. The market dropped from here, very nice, in between the levels. Where did it stop? It stopped at the previous broken level, so it continued bullish and we made this profit, and market gave us this particular profitable move as well right here, then this one as well. So this week, let's see. I personally first of all will be waiting for this level. Plenty of correction if I get right here, that's fine. Otherwise, this market from this whole area is going to drop back to 1.1525. so let's see what the market gives us further. Move on to the Bitcoin. I analyzed it during the week as well. Let's quickly delete everything from the chart right here, and let me run a very fresh analysis for all of you. I didn't personally trade Bitcoin, but there are some members I have who definitely consider the Bitcoin. So it doesn't mean that the ABCD pattern will not be working on the cryptos. It works on the cryptocurrencies as well. So on the crypto Bitcoin right here, the weekly time frame, we see it gave very much fantastic ABCD pattern in the previous weeks right here, all the way starting from here. I have discussed it with all of you, and right here, if you remember, this 1,12,000 was our broken level right here. You see a broken level, and as far as the market is trading above this broken level, we will remain bullish on this particular time frame, on the daily time frame. Move on to the H4 time frame, and this ABCD pattern obviously is pointing way to the top side of the market. But this week, what I personally will like, I obviously will like the market to drop. Okay, it is already on the 61.8% retracement. So on the 61.8% retracement, we have got this, and we have got this. Now it will be showing us when market is trading on a resistance zone. Still this market, this ABCD pattern will be giving us plenty of opportunities, but you have to add some buffer with it, because here, see, without a single pip of a drawdown, the market gave in thousands and thousands of pips. But even if it counts, we count it in dollar, from 1,17,000 towards right here, 1,17,000, say around 2,000 profits you made during the week. But I personally don't trade it. So market definitely is on this particular ABCD wave, and stop losses, if you can spot buy right here, that is also nice. But try to practice this ABCD pattern on the demo accounts, and I'm sure enough you will be making lots and lots of profits. Move on to the EURCad. A few weeks ago on this one, I spotted there was this sell opportunity back here. The whole opportunity was 350 pips, but I just took this much, 121 pips, as my analysis from right here. And this double bottom, obviously I discussed, it also gave very nice opportunity. Then this trend line, and if I show you this particular trend line, there will be approximately 61.8% retracement, which is my strategy. So let's clean the charts a little bit. Let's delete this for now, let's delete this for now, even let's delete this for now. So now things are very much simple right here. If I show you, there is plenty of the structure, and there is also this structure broken level with all of us, this level broken as well on the weekly time frame, nicely moving up on the monthly time frame, nicely moving up. Where is the next level with us? 1.69. that is way too far away from right here, but if we get this particular breakout, it is further going to hit 1.6905, and that again is going to be around 800 pips further move. But I will suggest everyone to just wait for a retest, because this is now a fresh. Any candle come back down to 1.6112, it will be obviously bouncing off from here. If it breaks into this structure miraculously, then upon the retest, this level can become a very nice sell opportunity back to the trend line, and that will be 265 pips of a profit on the dollar CAD. My friend, what I said, I'm sure enough you must have made good profits. If not, there is always another week, another day. This story all the way started when I was analyzing. This story started right here when the market took this. It dropped very nicely. This drop was expected, and after this, when it was dropping till here, I was expecting this 1.3694 level, but when it took a bounce from here, then this trend line was already established, which I definitely discussed with all of you. So I have discussed that in the previous videos. For educational purposes, you are most welcome to check out the previous videos, because they are full of information and knowledge. Right now on the daily time frame, you know, if you want to find out about this 1.3914 level, you can check back the previous video of the dollar CAD. During the week I uploaded it on Monday, I'm sure, so you can check that video, and in that there was this trade opportunity I gave for 74 pips, very nice. And even see this ABCD pattern completed. Why it completed? Because when market is trading above the trend line, we can enter upon a correction. So right here we had a 61.8% retracement as well, we have a trend line as well, so we have an RSI as well. So why the market will not be working? Market will be working, market will be definitely working. ABCD pattern will be working, because this is the only algorithm of the forex market. So what's next? Obviously it is selling at the it is standing at the sell point right here, back to the trend line, near the trend line. Maybe let's see, we can find some further opportunities, but obviously as far as it is trading above 1.36954, I see dollar CAD on 1.3914 right here. There are plenty of places during the week which can be traded. Obviously I will be explaining them in the live sessions. Dollar yen, my friends, dollar yen gave this fantastic move 2 weeks ago, and last week the market didn't move much on the dollar yen. So right here we have from the previous week these levels, and they are very nicely playing to the market, because see, a very nice sell that was discussed last week, and a very nice buy that was discussed last week. But since there is no big and fantastic ABCD pattern with me, so that's why I will highly recommend that if one is holding this particular position, we should definitely wait for 144.68, and that will make the image very much clear for all of us. Move on to the pound dollar. Congratulations everyone if you took this particular sell. As I said, this is going to be the beautiful sell opportunity. Even in the live streams I have discussed this particular one. So if you got this analysis, I think you are the luckiest one, because you have got this nice 80 pips during the week. As I said, from 80 pips from there, 70 pips from there, 40 pips from there, 50 pips from there, 20 pips from there. From that same level we save some losses. Market, let's say, go against us, so we, by sharply reading the markets, we close the trade early, not waiting for our stop losses upon confirmation. So some savings, and savings from the stop losses, some tiny bits of profits from these mini currency pairs as well. we can make handsome amount of profit. And on top of that, if we trade the gold as well, then the gold obviously gives 100 pips for sure, guaranteed every day, if one follows the ABCD pattern correctly to the correct side of the market. If trader is properly waiting for the market, then yes, this market is going to give fantastic profits. So pound dollar is standing at such a place. Either we have to see a break above this zone, so a break above, and the market will be standing at 1.37, because this is what it is showing. For now, there are, just like last week I said, this is obviously going to complete or this is trying to complete an all-time nice ABCD pattern. Right here we have which completes near 1.4168, and pound dollar also never leaves its levels unfilled. So let's see any break below, and then we can re-enter as a bull. Right here, any break below this, and then we can look for this particular targets as well. Everything needs some patience, and remember, this is standing at a sell point. RSI is already overbought, so make sure to plan your trades accordingly. Move on to the pound yen, and on the pound yen, this was the particular zone for a sell. So a breakout, or upon a breakout, we were looking for a retest. On the retest, what happened? The market break in. So no retest occurred, no problem. We will adjust definitely this place as this as well. And right now, what the market, when the market breaks in to this particular structure upon this double top confirmation, now what we can say, obviously this Fibonacci will be adjusted this way, and obviously this market should come back down to 198, from where we will find whether it is going to continue further bullish or not. My personal buying zone is right here near this 61.8% retracement. So if it drops here, I'm definitely going to take buying decisions from 196.99, 197 somewhere. Stop will be below 196. So let's see what this upcoming week brings to all of us. This was the weekly forex forecast video, and I'm sure enough, if you guys follow these this strategy correctly, you can make lots and lots of profits on a regular basis. If you have come this far, you are already ahead of most of the traders. The difference between watching and mastering is just one decision. That just one decision one has to take, and that trader will be profitable. So anyone who wants to make good profits on regular basis, remember, do contact me on the WhatsApp number given in the description, and start this ABCD pattern course with me, because this is the end of the forex knowledge at the ABCD pattern, divergence, and nothing else than that. Obviously support and resistance, if one master it along with the Fibonacci, they works 100% of the time. So I hope this analysis and my little bit of effort will be much more for you, and you will be making profits out of it. Make sure to trade everything on the demo account, okay? Because in the real time we have to study the market, right? So I hope you make lots and lots of the profits. I hope you make I hope you understand this strategy, so then we can trade together. So then you can give me ideas there. Aftab, there you are missing that on that instrument. You are looking at this side of the market, but the market is showing us this ABCD pattern. Then you will be correcting me as well. Thank you so much for being here with me. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.